Hello everyone, welcome to my channel World of AWS. I hope you all are doing good. We are continuing with Terraform tutorial, and in this video we are going to discuss about resource targeting in Terraform. Okay, so resource targeting in Terraform refers to the practice of applying changes to a specific resource in your Terraform configuration rather than the entire infrastructure. Means whenever you want to make certain kind of modification to a specific resource only, suppose you have 10 EC2 instance or 10 security group, but if you want to like update some tag for one EC2 instance only or one security group only, then you don't need to do anything apart from the one EC2 instance or one security group. Okay, you can just use the target flag to make modification in the specific resource that are required for your use case. Okay, so this can be helpful during development, troubleshooting or incremental deployments. Okay, so why use resource targeting? So speed, focus changes on the specific resource to save time. So whenever you are like focusing on the entire infrastructure, then like it will take some more time, right? But if you are like focusing on the some specific resource only, then it will save your time. So testing, verify changes to a single resource without affecting others. So you are just going to test something on single resource, you are not going to play with the entire infrastructure. So debugging, pinpoint and fix issues with a specific resource. Suppose if you are getting issues with the entire infrastructure, then it will be really like hectic and time consuming for you to troubleshoot the issue. But if you are getting the like issues with a specific resource, then you can quickly identify where that issue and what kind of issue is like from where it's occurring and how we can resolve it. So whenever you are targeting one resource, then it's easy to point out pinpoint the whatever issue you have. Okay, so incremental rollout, gradually apply changes to a resource without deploying everything at once, right? So how to target the resource? We have to use the target flag, okay, with the Terraform apply, Terraform plant, Terraform deploy and destroy. Okay, sorry, Terraform destroy. So we have to run command like this: Terraform apply -target and the resource type, then the resource name that we have given in our Terraform configuration file. So let's go ahead and see these things practically. Okay, so I have written here one script to create IAM user and I have used count meta argument. Okay, so I want to create now AWS_security group. Okay, and I want to give name U2 and name is equal to YouTube -test demo. Okay, like this I want to give the name to my security group. Let's save this, but let me go into the terminal and let me run the Terraform plan. So you are going to see it will create 11 resources because we are using count meta argument that will create 10 resource, 10 IAM users. So as you can see, plan 11 to add, 0 to change, right? But in our case, what we want to create just this security group. We don't want to create this IAM user. Okay, so how we can do it? So we can do it using Terraform plan -target. Okay, and what resource name we have? We have this resource name dot YouTube and the resource ID. Okay, let's hit enter. Okay, as you can see here, okay, Terraform will perform the following action. AWS security group will be created. Okay, as you can see here, the target option is not set for the routine use, and it's provided only for exceptional situations such as recovering from error or mistake, or when you Terraform especially suggest to use it as part of an error message. Okay, so you are not supposed to use like target flag in all the cases. Okay, so you have to use for a specific use case when there are no option available. Okay, so you have to use in that case only. Okay, so let me run Terraform apply -target and the resource name with the resource ID, that is YouTube in our case. So let's hit enter. Yes, I want to create it. As you can see here, warning, resource targeting is in effect. Okay, because we are using resource targeting flag here in the command, right? So as you can see, applied changes. So it's like one resource got added. Note the target option is not suitable for routine use, right? That we have already seen. So whenever there are no option available, you want to troubleshoot something, or you want to like do some kind of enhancement, and you are testing your whatever things you have developed, you are testing that. Okay, for that use case you can use this Terraform target flag. Okay, so this is all about target flag and the resource targeting in Terraform. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any query, any confusion regarding this video, then do let me know in the comment section. And thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe my channel, and if you are new to my channel, then do check out my other playlist as well. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.